Hello everyone, my name is Tristan Nakua and I am currently working as a butcher here at Bawan, Batangas Slaughterhouse. As you have seen earlier, you saw some of the process that we do inside the slaughterhouse. At first part of the video, you saw the stunning process. Just a reminder, before you stun the animal food, you must first shower the animal food to facilitate the stunning effect, followed by the sticking or bleeding process. This must not exceed 30 seconds from stunning because the animal food will regain its consciousness. And the last part of the video, you see the manual deherring of the animal food. I wish I could show you more of our process, but our management prohibits the use of cell phone inside the slaughterhouse. And for today, I am going to show you how to sharpen your knife using your honing steel or sharpening steel. At first, you need to grip your honing steel firmly with safetiness and facing forward for your own safety. And this is the right way of doing it. And this is the knife. You just put your knife at 20-degree angle from heel to tip, and you just slide it down just like this. Just repeat this 3 to 5 times to achieve and maintain its sharpness. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Stay safe everyone.